Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton. How you guys doing? Well, today's video is not a cooking video. I've been stuck at home for a while now and I had to go to the supermarket to top up on my grocery. So I decided to take you guys along with me. So basically today's video is going to be a vlog. Guys, when I'm home I feel comfortable videoing, but to video outdoor, basically the girl was a little shy, but I did try my best, and this is my first vlog, so forgive me. So today I went to the market, and then I went to the supermarket, and I videoed it, and also when I came home, I also videoed what I bought in the supermarket. So I'm going to show you guys all of that in the video. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up the video, and also please continue to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, and you guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Alright, so let me just show you the vlog that I made today, so please watch the video. And also guys, please watch my ads. When you guys watch my ads, that's helping me out, and I would be able to make more videos for you guys. Alright, so please watch my ads. Alright, so let's get into my shopping vlog for today. Enjoy. Hey guys, so this is my first vlog. So today I'll be going into the supermarket and the market to buy some grocery. So let me take you guys along. So I just reached the market, so let's go and see what veggies I'm gonna buy. Yeah, 3 pound cassava and 1 pound sweet potato. 100 shallots, 100 celery, give us some 100 sweet pepper. Younger barley?
Yeah.
Well, give me
Let me bring it out there.
one broadleaf and the Markman pork. You ain't find leaf?
No, me get it one.
I'll go to the girl corner. Okay.
3 cassava, 1 sweet potato is 400. 4 and the cabbage is 280. 4 and 2, 680. And 100 pepper, 6, 780.
Give me 100 ginger.
7 and 1, 880. 980.
Okay guys, so I'm back from the market. Rain start falling and I get wet up. So I'm gonna head to the supermarket now. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm going into the supermarket now. Okay guys, I'm buying some chicken now. So the cheapest chicken to buy right now, chicken pack. So I'm gonna pay 250. So I got my chicken back, so I'm going to cash at the register now. So I just came out of one supermarket, I'm going in another supermarket. Oh my god, and we have a lot of rain right now. Rain is pouring. Look how the rain is falling a lot right now. So I'm headed to the other supermarket now. So I'm going to pick up my tomato paste. Oh, you took some away. I'm going to take it off here. Oh, then I'll have to start with this what I already bought. So let's continue shopping. Maybe the macaroni. So I need a brown sugar, so I'm gonna pick up a sugar here. And then take it off. Sugar. I know I'm bad with vlogging, but you guys have to forgive me. This is my first vlog.
pick up some peas now. Pick up some black eyed peas and some China peas. One flour. And put it in my trolley here. So I'm going to take out the flour now. So let's continue shopping, guys. I'm going to pick up some toilet paper now. I'm just going to pick up 2 single ones. I'm going to pick up some coconut powder, 2 packets. I have this on my list, so I'm picking up my coconut powder. And also I need some ramen soup. The pumpkin one. There's a pumpkin one here. So I'm gonna buy some snack now for the kids. Anyway, 2 pack of cups also. 2 pack of the nibbles. My cookies and my biscuits. I'm not going to buy biscuits anymore. Okay, we're going to buy a small packet of milk as well. So I have to pick off milk. And some of them I can't buy because I run out of money.
Okay guys, so I'm home. My phone cut off while I'm in the supermarket. So I'm back from the grocery store, so I'm going to unpack and let you guys see what I bought. Okay,